This is Emerging Technology Presentation, EDUT 522, Joaquin Partida. What is an emerging technology? Emerging technologies are tools, concepts, innovations, and advancement applied in various different educational settings to serve different education-related purposes. HoloLens is an emerging technology. Microsoft's HoloLens headset, the first holographic computing platform. It's not virtual reality, it has some components of that, but it's not augmented reality, even though it has some components of that. It's actually a mix of reality, which projects 3D images or holographic content onto the physical world. Microsoft HoloLens, mixed reality. People, places, and objects from physical and virtual worlds merge together. You move naturally, interact, and explore in three dimensions. You visualize and work with digital content. Basically, your world is a canvas. How it works, it interacts with you and the world around you. For example, you have the gaze built in, sensors that lets you use your gaze, the direction you're looking at, to move the cursor as you can select holograms. The little video shows you a little way it works there.
Gaze input on the HoloLens indicates where a user's attention is focused. A cursor is used to indicate the gaze direction. As the user's head moves, the cursor follows their point of attention while remaining centered in their field of view.
Also, HoloLens gestures helps you to open apps, select and size items, and drag and drop holograms in your real world.
Gesture input on the HoloLens is similar to mouse clicks on a desktop. It works in conjunction with gaze. A user targets an item with their gaze and then selects or activates the target with a gesture.
It also is voice activated, so you could use voice commands to navigate, select, open, command, and control your apps. Speak directly to Cortana, who can help you complete tasks. Here's a little video of what it might look like.
Voice commands are the third form of user input with the Windows holographic platform.
Closer. Close up.
Similar to a tap gesture, a voice command can take action on the object that is the focus of your gaze.
Over.
Microsoft HoloLens transform businesses. For example, Lowe's is actually using HoloLens as a way to help their customers remodel, for example, their kitchen. Here's a little view on the video. Just want you to see what this particular lady is doing. So select the background of what your kitchen would look like. So that's something that Lowe's would be using HoloLens to improve their product. HoloLens Skype. HoloLens is great for collaboration using Skype. Your colleagues can see what you see and place holograms into your world. Collaborate with others and make decisions more effectively using Skype to draw and place images in your space.
I think
this is cool right here. If you're actually writing something onto your screen, the person on the other line is able to see that. So I think this is a great application to when you're actually inside a classroom. And with that, HoloLens education in the virtual classroom. In Fresno and Clovis, California, students from CART, which is Center for Advanced Research and Technology, were selected to test Microsoft's HoloLens. And I believe possibly the only high school students in the country. Students are getting a head start on the competition. This will help them attract attention from colleges and universities. And here's a link to the virtual classroom. And it looks something like this. They were selected by Microsoft to test out the HoloLens. This video here is at the end of my presentation. They're actually creating an X-Wing from Star Wars to make math fun. So back to my presentation. Megan Rupa reports that the U.S. Department of Labor's Bureau of Labor Statistics said computer and information technology jobs are set to grow by 500,000 in the next years. So people with this particular skills will have a heads up on the competition. And if you put your the HoloLens on, this is what you would actually see. This particular person has created robots. This video shows what you would see if you actually had the HoloLens on. This is a personal view. As you can see, little robots are coming out of the walls. And this is a video of the class.
The students in the interactive game design class at CART are designing video games, which is already impressive enough, but now they're testing out this. It's called the HoloLens, and it could be the next big thing. Computers at our fingertips.
And what they want you to see is what their instructor says.
And
Here.
technology as we know it.
The instructor says that students are, this technology is coming. So to be able to use this in the classroom would be a great plus to our students.
Learning how to develop.
So thank you for watching my presentation.